Is it called the
This is the formula.
formula? Yeah.
Yeah, this is the formula. You start with the diagram, which we've got already there. Okay, we got the diagram here. Let me just quickly make a quick cut of this and copy that, paste it over here. And I've edited the number a bit. I'm going to say a bit, maybe a lot. Okay, we got 12. So what have they told us, Aisha? They've given us what in the beginning of the question?
The answer.
They're giving us the answer. They want us to work out the question. They want us to go back. So under the area, what do we write down here, Aisha, here?
12.
48.
Oh, 48 equals.
48, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what's the length of the shape?
12.
No, that's the width.
Oh, that's, you don't know yet.
You put a question mark there, yeah? So it copies that style there. That's your length, and that's your width. So what's missing from the question? What do we not know?
The length.
We don't know the length. So how do we work out the length then?
You do 48 divided by 12.
So opposite time by 12 is?
Divided by 12.
Fantastic. And what's the answer? What's 48 divided by 12?
4.
So we can say now the length is equal to 4 centimeters. So that's our reverse question. I call it a reverse question because they gave you the answer. Then when you go back and work out the question. Okay, right. Let's have a look at the next question. It says find the width of this rectangle. Now, let's have a look. What other kind of questions do we have? Do you have any triangle ones? Oh, we got triangle ones as well. Yeah, I like triangle ones. Let's grab one of those. Okay, for the next question, Ariana, join me, please. Question number 3. Put the drawing on the side. Okay, give me a second while I do a little bit of editing to the question. So, area is 24. Okay. So I'm changing the base to 2. Ariana, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you call the bottom part? The bottom part's called the
base.
And what do you call the question mark?
The height.
We don't know that. Okay, that's the bit that we don't know. And what do we know?
The area is 24 meters.
So normally you have to, in a triangle question, you got to work out the area. In this question, they're giving us the area. They say you go work out the height. So that's why I call them reverse questions. So give me the formula for the area of a triangle, please.
Length times width divided by base times by height divided by 2.
So let's make a big deal out of that. There's our formula. So when you do your work, make sure you write the formula down, draw the diagram. Okay, lovely. So now what's the base?
2 meters.
So under the area, write down 24, yes, under area. The base is 2, and the height, do we know the height?
No.
We just put H for height if you can. So which is the bit that we don't know the value of?
The height.
The height we don't know. Height is the unknown. So what do we do now?
Do we do 24 divided by 2?
So opposite divide by 2 is?
Times.
And then opposite time by 2 is?
Divide.
So we're going to have 24 time by 2 divided by 2 is equal to height. So what's that going to give us? What's the height going to be?
12.
Are you sure?
24.
24. Done. Okay. So that's now we're reversing the triangle question. I think we need to do another 1 or 2 of those. Okay, let's do another. Okay, Ariana, you didn't sound too happy with that question. Should we do another one, Ariana?
Yeah.
Yeah? I want you to be completely and utterly happy with that question, and I can't find my original question. Is it gone? There they are. Ooh. Well, they've got a reverse area question. That should be fantastic. Okay, right. Okie dokie. So let me grab question number 4 and do a bit of modification to it. Okay, right. Let's put in an extra page here. Okay, question number 4. So we have an area. They're giving us an area of 16 here. Okay, let's change the area, but let's change a few things. Area equals, okay, area equals 48. Okay, the height is 8. Okay, lovely. So Ariana, start me off again, please, on this question.
So we need to do a formula which is length times width divided by 2.
So what's missing on the bottom?
The base.
Okay, what do we know the value of?
The height.
And what else do we know the value of?
The area.
So the height is equal to 8. The area is equal to 48. And the base, we don't know what the base is. That's what we've got to work out, okay? Okay, lovely. Now, so we got the diagram. We labeled up the diagram. We know exactly what we have. You know, yes, yes, no. So what do we do now? Okay. What do we? How do you start the question?
We do 48 times
Area
weight
equals?
divided by base times our height divided by 2.
Lovely. Okay, now what do we write under the area? Under the area, what do we write down?
8.
Under the area, what do we write down?
48 centimeters.
Okay, so what's the base? We don't know. And the height is?
8.
And divided by 2. Now, before we do the rearranging to work out the B, can we do any cancelling just to make life easy for ourselves?
Yeah.
2 divided by 2 is?
1.
8 divided by 2 is?
4.
4. So we can rewrite the question as 48 equals? Is that okay?
Times 4.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Lovely. What do we do now? We want to work out the B. So what do we do the time by 4?
Do you times it by 40?
Opposite time by 4 is?
Divide.
So what's 48 divided by 4?
12.
Done. Okay, I'm going to pause the video here for the moment and give you guys a chance to try. So, question number 3, area equals base times by height divided by 2. We know what the area is 24. We know the base is 8. We don't know the height. So we do 8 times by the height divided by 2 is 24. We can do some early cancellations here before we do any more manipulation. So that gives us 24 equals 4h. And then we need to manipulate the time by 4. That goes to the other side. It becomes a divide by 4. So 24 divided by 4 will give us 6. So 6 is equal to the height. Okay, what else? What other question do we do? Okay, this one here. Question number 2. Let's have, for question number 2, Zakaria, do this one for me, please. Go. You say area equals?
We've already done this one.
No, we haven't actually worked it out with the maths. You just give me answers. Zaki, go.
So
what goes into the A?
9. 54.
Okay, what goes for the L?
9.
And what do you put for the width?
6. Question mark.
Question mark, because we don't know what it is at the moment. Okay, how do you work out the question mark?
You do 54 divided by 9.
Opposite time by 9 is divide by 9. So what's 54 divided by 9?
6. 6.
Okay, 6 meters.
Yeah.
Done. So that's your length over here. So your length is 9, and so that means your width is equal to 6. Done. Fantastic. Okay, lovely. We can stop that video now.